What's up, guys? Welcome back to That Chick Angel TV. It's me, Angel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, I hope you click the subscribe button as well as the bell beside it so you can be notified of my videos. I do daily vlogs, I do DIYs, I do things with my sons, my toddlers. I have a podcast with my husband. I have a lot going on this channel. So if you want to see a whole lot and laugh and have a good time, make sure you click the subscribe button to That Chick Angel TV. Well, today's video is being sponsored by Potent Organics, Garcinia, Cambogia. Try to say that 3 times fast, which is perfect because this is a weight loss journey update. For those of y'all who don't know me, I have 3 boys and I have 2-year-old twin boys. While I'm not going to call this baby weight that I'm trying to lose, even though they are my babies, I am in the process of losing weight and just getting as healthy as possible. I want to discuss this product that was sent to me, Potent Organics, Garcinia, Cambogia. It's a weight loss supplement. Now, theirs is the best formula on the market. Now, a lot of people probably wonder, if you've heard about it, what is Garcinia, Cambogia? It's actually a fruit that derives from Indonesia. And in the rind of the fruit, it contains something called HCA, or a hydroxycitrate acid. I hope I said that right. I know I'm close. And that helps in weight loss. It helps with blocking hunger and reducing appetite. It also blocks fat cells from being created. Now, this product contains the Garcinia Cambogia complex, which contains 3 important things. And it contains the HCA, potassium, chromium, and calcium. It also has some non-active ingredients such as like the cellulose, the thing that actually holds the pill in place, and a magnesium, which is from a vegetable. So the way these work, you take one twice a day and you take it with water and you have it right before you eat, like about 20 minutes before you eat, and it's supposed to help with suppressing your hunger, so hopefully you won't eat as much. Now, in my experience, I haven't been using them very long. What I do like about them is, unlike some weight loss pills that are on the market, this gives you no type of jitters, no type of well, at least for me, no type of shakes. I have used stuff before in the past where I was like, this cannot be safe for humans to have. Where this, I did not have any of those type of symptoms. So I'm going to leave a link below to this product. Make sure you guys check it out and just click on below. But I'm going to also now update you all on what's been going on with my whole weight loss journey. So I had gotten a little bit out of control with my eating around the end of the year last year in 2017, going into the top of, it was 2016, going into the top of 2017. And my weight got all the way up to 180 something, which I'm only 5'5 3/4, almost 5'6". I really have no reason to be weighing that much, especially since it wasn't like I was a bulky, muscular woman. It was just me carrying around extra weight that I didn't actually want to have there. I tried, I was doing some other weight loss things, weight loss programs. I wasn't really sticking to them the way I would normally do it. So when I got alopecia, as some of you all know, and my alopecias and my hair started falling out and I was getting bald spots, I was trying to come up with a way to solve that. So in an effort to solve my alopecia, what I ended up doing was cleaning up my eating. So we kind of cut out all processed sugar, all that stuff for a whole month. And that alone, I dropped over 10 pounds very quickly. Was feeling, I look a lot more youthful, thank you. As well as I started picking up working out. I was working out between 3 to 5 days a week. And that really helped start toning me up some. I still have a journey to go. I'm going to try to show y'all some before and after pictures right now. So you can see that I definitely trimmed up around in my waist. My thighs are definitely gone down. There are outfits that I was not fitting in that I am now able to get into. I still think if we were looking at numbers, I have about 10 more pounds to lose before I feel really confident about where my body is as far as in going on auditions and things of that nature, and feeling really strong about where my physical appearance is. But if we're not looking at numbers, if I could go down a size and a half, I'd feel really good. I'm about a size 10 now, mainly in most stores. But if I can get to where I am in a 6/8, that's like, for me, that's camera ready for the roles that I typically go out for. So the way I plan on doing that is getting my eating clean again. I also plan on using the Garcinia Cambogia, using that to help me from snacking, doing a lot of snacks in the middle of the day. Like, I don't mind doing healthy snacks, but you know, eating my kids goldfish and Doritos is not the type of snacks that I need to be having in my body. As well as increasing my water intake. I'm trying to get in a gallon a day. I have no idea how people do it, but I am trying my best to. And I'm not succeeding, but I'm going to get there. I am, but I have cut out all other sugary drinks, so I feel good about that. All right, let me know any of your tips or tricks to weight loss if you're trying right now, or what are some of your stumbling blocks. Also, if you have any opinions on your own, if you've tried this and it's worked for you, let me know in the comments below if you know somebody else who has tried it, and tell me what their experience has been. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is a really short video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will give you all an alopecia update very, very soon. I will talk to you all later, and y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.